Welcome to the Pittsburgh Stone and Waterscapes Education Series. My name is Jeff Kennedy. Here at Pittsburgh Stone and Waterscapes, we're committed to changing the way our customers view the construction industry. That's why we're not just focused on educating our crews on the latest techniques and products. We're also focused on educating our customers, not just on what we do, but also why we do it. Pavers are used in a variety of renovation projects such as patios, walkways, and driveways. But have you ever wondered what it takes to bond the pavers together? In this video, we're going to look at how our teams use polymeric sand in the installation of paver projects and why it's important. Here's Neil Manos from Alliance to explain polymeric sand. Neil?
Polymeric sand is a mix of graded ASTM 144 sand and polymer. Polymer is like a glue that binds the sand together. It's in a dry mix and it's activated with water. Polymeric sand is designed to get solidified in the joint. It's designed to help resist weeds, insects, and any kind of erosion from rain. It's very important to use the proper type of polymeric sands. Your professional installer will know the proper polymeric sands to use. Not one sand is designed for every situation. Polymeric sand is very resistant to the many freeze-thaw cycles we have in the Pittsburgh area. With those freeze-thaw cycles, you have the possibility for the pavers to move and for the joint to break, but that polymeric sand helps resist that cracking and breaking. So today we're going to be installing the polymeric sand in the paver joint. We're going to take the bag, flip it around a couple times, open the bag up, and we're going to spread the sand out. Now we're going to take the broom and we're going to sweep the sand and fill up the joints completely. Now once the joints are filled up completely, we're going to go over it with a vibratory roller compactor is the preferred method. Compaction is a very important step in the process. It helps consolidate the joint and make sure the sand is nice and dense in the joint. Once that compaction is complete, we're going to fill the joints back up again, recompact as necessary, and then go into the watering process. After the final sweeping of the sand and the leaf blower, we're going to soak the joints now. Polymeric sands that we use are rain safe within 15 minutes, but they typically set up in 48 hours. That is with no rain in the forecast. Once it has a time to dry out, it will set up and help resist those weeds, those insects, and that erosion. Polymeric sand can last up to 15+ years in the right application, in the right setting. You want to do, again, a weekly, leaf blowing, cleaning off of any kind of debris on there. And then typically every spring you can do a general cleaning with, say, a all-purpose cleaner like a Simple Green, anything that will actually clean the pavers. And if you want to clean them very well and bring out the colors more, you can use an effervescence cleaner that you can get from your professional.